So it's been a while since we made a video, but we're back again. Finally got some stuff going for the car. A couple parts and things, mods we're gonna be installing over the next couple weeks, months. So I'm getting back to documenting that, guys. Documenting that for you guys on YouTube. So what we're working on today, installing BREMBOS on the front of the car. And yeah, I know you may have noticed I said the front. We're not doing the rear right now. I'm gonna do that a little bit later. You don't have to do both. You don't have to do front and back at the same time. You can do just the front. It's gonna throw your brake bias off a little bit towards the front, but nothing crazy, you know, for the street. You're not really gonna notice. So I got them freshly painted. Last night I finished up. I pretty much just have to take off the tape for the areas I masked off, and then install the BREMBOS stickers, and then we'll be good to go to get them on the car. So we're gonna get that done real quick. So we got the masking tape off the inside that was covering the pistons. But whenever you're painting these, you don't want to get any paint or anything in there that can mess them up, you know, get them to seize up. So we had that taped off and we got it off, so it came out pretty good there. Last thing I have to do is pull these little plugs out of the bleeder valve holes, and then move on to taking the stickers. Alright, so we've got the BREMBOS stickers put on. They're pretty centered, pretty close. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and start reassembling them, which is just putting the bleeder screws back in, and then putting the brake pads into it, and then after that we'll start taking the car apart to get these put on. So alright, so we got both calipers fully assembled, all 4 brake pads in, with the pins and everything. So just mocked it up just a little, just to see what it looked like on the rotor. But we're about to get the car jacked up.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Is your car really low if you don't have to air it up higher just to get the jack under?
Be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody?
Okay, so I have to take a little break. I did do a good bit off the camera just to kind of make sure everything worked before I, you know, made a whole video about it. But everything bolts up fine. I will go through the list of exactly what you'll need in just a second, but I want to make sure I get this side complete before I do so. But basically what held me up so far, I had to buy these new bolts. These fit the 04 to 17 WRXs. The original bolts for some reason would not thread into this caliper, so I bought these, which these will work fine. They thread in just fine, but the washer on the OEM bolt does not come off, or if it does, it's very difficult. So I'm gonna run to the parts store real quick just to get 4 washers for these, and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back from the store. I ended up getting the 2 caliper bolts put on for this, so this is completely done. I just have to attach the brake line from the stock caliper there to the back of this one, and then repeat the same thing on the other side, and then we bleed the brakes, and that'll be it. So now that I have this one, I'll let you guys know exactly what you need to do this. So obviously you're gonna need a caliper, 04 to 2017 WRX STI or BRZ, whatever you want to call it. Caliper, 4 piston. You're gonna want to get the brake pads to go along with that year as well. And then as for rotor, you're gonna want to use a rotor from a 2017 BRZ, which is the BRZ that comes with BREMBOS from the factory. This goes on straight directly, no need for modifications, anything. You want to get the I believe 07 to 17 STI caliper bolts, because the stock ones for this caliper, or the stock caliper, did not bolt up. So you want to get the bolt for that and some washer to go along with it. You'll need 1 for each bolt, so 4 total for the front. And then after that, you don't really need stainless steel lines. I didn't use stainless steel lines. I'm going to be reusing the stock ones, so you don't have to use any new lines for this. So other than that, that is pretty much it for this. So we're going to go ahead and get the other side done, and then we'll be back. Okay, so got everything pretty much finished up. Got the brake split on both sides. Wasn't too bad by myself. Got it all done. So brake pedal feels real nice and firm. I don't feel any squishiness. I didn't get any more air coming out when I did the bleeding, so we should be good to go. Last thing I have here is just to fill my reservoir back up with some brake fluid, throw the wheels on, and we'll be done. So. Alright guys, so we got the Brembo install complete. Everything is 100% done. Didn't film a lot of stuff, mainly just because there are already videos out there for, you know, instructions on how to install these, for one. And two, to be 100% honest, it's very easy to do. Like, I didn't have to consult with YouTube at all for the entire install. Everything I was able to figure out on my own. Only used like 4 different sockets, and that was pretty much it. But yeah, let me give you guys a look. There it is. Got the Brembos on, and I definitely don't have any clearance issues. For reference, this is a 18 by 9 plus 35 offset wheel on a 215 35 by 18 tire. Not that that matters for the brakes, but you can kind of see, you know, I can stick my whole finger in between there easily, so definitely no clearance issues at all. And then show you guys the driver's side. Same thing, you know, fits well, looks great. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the Brembo install. I did not get the rears yet. I just wanted to research to make sure that I can do just the front, just to start. Just because I got a couple other things I want to do before I do the full install. The brake bias apparently goes a little bit more towards the front with just the fronts on. But it's manageable. It's nothing that's going to be dangerous or anything for daily driving. Honestly, I don't notice much of a difference. It does stop really well. When I went to test them and bed the brake pads in, it stopped really well. Didn't have any issues there. I didn't go with any crazy pads or rotors, just your typical, you know, standard rotor, no drill to slide or anything just yet. And the pads were just semi-metallic pads, just to keep the noise down and the dust a little bit. So that's what we got there. I know since the last video, I don't think I had the duckbill on, so I did get the duckbill added, just gloss black. I'm not sure if I want to wrap it the color of the car or not. If you guys think I should wrap it the color of the car, just let me know. But I kind of dig the black just because it, you know, it offsets, and it kind of, you know, it blends in with the trim and all the other black parts of the car and stuff. So just let me know if you guys think I should wrap it or not, you know. And if I do, and if I don't like it, I can just, you know, take it off. So, but other than that, so since we've got the Brembos on and stuff, next thing I'm gonna be trying to work on is first getting new tires. Couldn't show you guys on video because I just wanted to get it done, but those in the front are horrible. Camber wear is pretty bad. Running about maybe -2 degrees in the front, but I switched the backs from the front, so these are originally on the rear of the car, and the rear is running about -6 degrees at ride height, which is pretty low. This one right here has got wire showing, and I'm gonna guess that I probably missed the flip. So since I can't really do the flip, I'm just gonna go ahead and just get a whole nother set. Probably just find some cheap tires, because you know, it's not like I'm doing anything performance oriented with this car. You know, it's really just for show and the stance and stuff, you know. So we're gonna be working on that, and after that I'm gonna be working on getting the Starlight headliner in the car. So right now we just got regular headliner, nothing modded or anything. I already have the kit and everything. I do need to source a fuse tab kit just to make sure that I can get it powered up correctly. And then after that, I really don't have much else that I want to do. I also want to work on the trunk soon. I want to get a false floor put in. I was thinking of going with like wood floor, like laminate or vinyl or something. I may still do that, but I've been seeing some setups with like this cloth material they put in there, kind of like a padded foam looking thing, and it looks pretty cool. Like a diamond stitch pattern or something, I don't know. I may try that instead of the false floor if I can find it. If not, then wood floor would be the way to go. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. So probably gonna snap a couple pictures here, probably just get some shots of the BREMBOS and stuff. But that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I told you guys what I got coming up. Trying to get the new tires put on, Starlight headliner, and the false floor in the trunk. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment any suggestions, anything you want to see. If you like the content, let me know. I'm gonna keep it pushing, man. But that's pretty much all I got, so I'll see you guys in the next one.